Hadian ke Jingpur stat jangka klam African swine fever habon Tylli ki Shnong kari Bhoi district u district Majastor kari Bhoi district haka alpholai tarik u jemang ula penhap iki kat tu kat ni Tylli ki Shnong Hapoh ka containment zone da ka bapendon kam ya ka bor kat kum ka kendon ain 144 CRPC bar ka jing pentikna na kaliang ka office u district AH veterinary kini ki Shnong ki kenthop ya ka sauriang madan nong lakyat mau lengkung bat ka selai ular hari Bhoi district bat nak kalian ki bor ka tenat veterinary kanang jurep bat khmi benia halor ka ni ka jingpang jong kisnyang nak kalian u district Majastor ula pen bena bat mana yakitu ki ba risnyang ki ba oddos nyang bat ki ba die ki dos nyang hakini ki than bakin sange swashi por kat ba 4 la ban tem ka ni ka jingpang khlam jo kisnyang hakini ki Shnong bat kishnong ki ba marjan bat ba kin le khoj barabor.
Basically we received one report of suspected cases of African swine flu, and after that the department went there and took certain samples, did their testing, and after find out that it is an affirmative case of African swine flu. That report from our district animal husbandry department, we have declared containment zones in 5 villages: Omsauriang, Madan Nongklide, Malingkung, and Silia Ular. So after these villages, all necessary precautions are being maintained, and the department is regularly visiting to check that there is no further spread of the African swine flu. So far, in our routine monitoring, we have not received any more calls, any more information that there is a spread in these villages or after nearby other villages also. However, regular testing and regular monitoring is being done by the department. Basically, firstly, we have declared these containment zones for 45 days. So all the animals in these areas, they are being monitored, regularly being checked up, and there is every precaution is being made by the magistrates on duty there to ensure that there is no further spread of African swine flu in those areas. Apart from that, the department is also screening other suspected areas where there is a high probability of being spreading. But so far, we have been able to contain that African swine flu spread also, and no new cases have been reported. Although samples have been collected from other villages also, but so far no confirmation regarding that spread of African swine flu in other villages. We have conducted certain tests. We have taken some samples also, and based on that report only it was declared. After that also some samples have been taken. All the containment measures which have been declared as per the report from the department, and within the containment zone all these precautions are being maintained. There is no further coming of animals and all. However, outside containment zone there is no restriction so far. We are maintaining a very close watch. If it's found that it is being spreading and all in other areas, then necessary precautions will be taken care.